Hello everybody, this is Great Math number 110 with me, JP, and today we're doing another video. So this is, what exactly is this? So this is a unit circle. This, at first you have no clue what it is. All it looks like is like the little aiming target thing that you use when you play video games and you shoot at things. Yeah, that's all you look at and that's all you think it is. But it's much more than that. This unit circle will help us evaluate these expressions, these sinuses, cosinus, and tangents. But wait, can't we just do that with a calculator? But this way we can do it without a calculator, and with problems that is say, evaluate the following without a calculator. So just throw that calculator out that you just bought just to look at that. We're going to do this way, since it's much easier. And actually, instead of just having several numbers following forever, we just have like something like square root of 2 or something like that. It's going to be pretty easy. So, from here to the edge of the circle here, the unit is 1. That's why it's called a unit circle, hence the name. So, I'm going to teach you how to use this with the following. Okay? So, sin is 135. Okay, so, we know it's a little bit, we know it's more than 90 degrees, and we know it's less than 180. So 135 minus 90, that's 45 degrees, okay? So we have 135 here. Sorry, you can't see it here too much. And we have 45 here. So to find out what the sinus is, we make a triangle, okay? We take that triangle. So now we have a 90 degrees, that's 1. And we heard that this is 45 degrees right here. And this is also 45 degrees. So because these two are the same, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. 2x squared plus is equal to 1 squared, which is just 1.
What does x stand for? What? X?
X is the side lengths.
Oh, okay.
Squared is equal to 1/2. X is equal to 1 divided by the square root of 2. Now, if we don't want to have the square root on the bottom, which typically you don't, we can multiply by the square root of 2 on top and bottom. The bottom just becomes 2. Square root of 2 divided by 2. And that's our answer. Wait, that's not exactly it. That's just 2 divided by 2 here. And actually, this is negative. Why? Okay, so this is cosinus. And think that this is sinus, just like the x and y axis, okay? So it's negative square root of 2 divided by 2 here, but then sinus is going up. So it's still going up, so it's still positive. So the answer is still square root of 2 divided by 2, okay? So we're done with 1. And then I'll show you some
No, what is cosinus and sinus? I'm sorry.
Cosinus is anything that goes this way.
Okay. But you try to value. Okay, sinus. Okay.
So let's try another one. Sinus 630 degrees. Now, first we look at this, we have no clue what the heck it is. Okay? So we draw our circle. We draw our circle again. So if you go all the way around, that's 360 degrees, right? So that's already 360 degrees. 630 degrees minus 360 degrees, that becomes 270, which is actually right here. Okay, we're on an edge. What does that mean? That means we don't have to do too many calculations. We don't even have to make a triangle, really. This becomes 90 degrees. Okay, that's pretty much our triangle right here, right? But we don't even need to make a triangle. We know it's just like this. So, because the cosinus is not going anywhere, cosinus would be 0. But we're not finding 0, we're finding sinus. Sinus is going up and down. So, because it's going down, lower, it's negative. So, it becomes sinus 630 is equal to negative 1. Okay? Okay. Try 2 more. So, make the circle again. Let's try cosinus. And just because we don't want to make it just a little bit easier, we'll try negative. So this is going to be 120, okay? Negative 120, to be exact. So, How do we do this? Well, we always start here and we go around if it's positive. So because it's negative, we'll go clockwise. Okay, so. Well, what's 120 minus 90? That's 30, right? So we get our 30 degrees here. We make our triangle. Okay? 30, 60, 90. Now this reminds us of the half equilateral triangle, right? So this is 1, so therefore this is 1/2, and this is the square root of 3 divided by 2. And okay, so we have our two sides. Now we're looking for cosinus, which is both these ways, right? So, which is here. So it becomes 1/2, but because it's a little bit off here, it becomes negative. So that means the cosinus, negative 120, is equal to negative 1/2. Okay? That's simple. Let's do one last one. So this one is tangent, okay? Tangent 300 degrees. Well, okay, so it's positive, so we're going this way. So 270 plus 30 degrees, it becomes 300. Ah, what do you know? It's our little right it's our favorite right triangle again. 30, 60. So that's 1, that becomes square root of 3 divided by 2. Negative because it's there, and 1/2, just normal. Now, this is tangent, so it's in SOHCAHTOA, it's opposite divided by hypotenuse. Or sorry, opposite divided by adjacent. So, or sinus divided by cosinus. So this is the sinus divided by the cosinus. It becomes square root of 3 divided by 2, negative, divided by 1/2. Cancel out. Square root of 3 divided by 1 is negative, which is the same thing. Square root of 3. Negative square root of 3. Which is equal to tan 300 degrees. And just as simple as that, if you guys have any disregards or anything, go take out your calculator, pause, go back, see if I was right or not. This technique actually works, and you can check by yourself if you want, just to see if it works or not. I hope you guys like this video.
Oh, hold on.
And
can we draw the line for tangent? You know, this line on the line here. You told me before this one.
I didn't tell you that before.
Oh, okay, so that's a line like this. Oh, sorry. I'll show you.